Alright, so we have a pretty old bike here that we were doing some work on. You can see the chrome is considerably dirty with some micro scratches, a lot of hard water stains, pretty crummy up here. So we're going to show you how to get this all cleaned up just using steel wool. Now you need to make sure that it's fine grade steel wool. You're going to get all of this gunk off without having to have any liquid or mess or anything like that. So let's go ahead and get the steel wool over here, and we'll show you guys how it looks afterwards. Okay, so we've only done one pipe. I want to show you a comparison of the before and after. You can obviously see the huge difference between the top pipe and the lower pipe. That was just maybe 1 minute of going over it with that steel wool, the fine grade steel wool. So all of those hard water stains are gone, all the corrosion, the micro scratches that were in there are gone. Now this even works for boot marks. If you burn your boot on a pipe, this will actually get that off. It'll take a little more work, but steel wool will actually get that off as well. You might need to use a razor blade to get the thicker portions off, but once you get most of that off, heat up the pipe and you're going to be able to get that the rest of that stain off with this steel wool. So let's go ahead and finish up the rest of the exhaust, and we'll show you the overall finished product. Alright, and here's the overall finished product. I have yet to find anything that cleans chrome as well as steel wool. You got your, original mirror finish back. Getting all the nooks and crannies, shine everything up really nice. It's night and day difference. You don't have any liquids getting everywhere. You don't have to wax anything. Just a little bit of scrubbing with some steel wool. Bring your chrome back to life. So there you have it.